In today's video, I'll show you how to hide the sender's name from WhatsApp notifications on your iPhone. If you want to keep your WhatsApp messages private and prevent the sender's name from appearing in notifications, this simple trick will help. Let's get started. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to the Notifications section. Tap on it. You'll see a list of applications installed on your iPhone. Since this video is about WhatsApp, find WhatsApp in the list and tap on it. Look for the option called Show Previews under the Lock Screen Appearance section. You can set this to When Unlocked, which will display the sender's name and message content after you unlock your iPhone with Face ID or a passcode. However, for maximum privacy, select Never. This option hides the message content and sender's name completely. The notification will only show the app name, WhatsApp, and possibly a new message label without any preview of the message or sender's name. This is the most private setting if you don't want others to see any part of your messages and notifications. With this setup, both the sender's name and the content of the WhatsApp message will remain completely hidden.